Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Hueneme Negev error in Black Ops 6 COD. So make sure to try these things and hopefully your issue will be solved. So let's go through them one by one. So our first solution is simply scroll down and here it is. Check BO6 server status. Before assuming the issue in your end, it's always a good idea to confirm that the game servers are operational. So make sure to go to this website, Black Ops 6 server status guide, and you will see all the interface and check if their status is like active or not. And the second thing that you can try is restart your modem or router. This process ensures that device is refreshed, help resolve any errors or interruptions and solve your issue. And if not, the third solution is restart your console or check if it is updated. So just restart your console or verify that it is updated to the latest system version. And after that, the next solution is try a different connection method, like try using some other Wi-Fi or like hotspot or like mobile data or anything like that. So just choose that connection and try if it works. And if not, then the other solution is try using a VPN service. Like just make sure like these are multiple VPN, Surfshark, Cyber, Node, Express, Proton, TFast, WTFast. Like these are the multiple solutions. And if you have any other VPN, you can also try that. Connect to the VPN and try running the game again, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So these are the multiple solutions that you can try in like fixing this issue and enjoy the game. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this.